Hey guys, Gary here, back with another video, and before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this one. So the Nintendo Switch is actually no longer shipping due to the COVID-19 virus. Production has also stopped for the same reason, due to the problem in China where they can actually no longer get their product made. It's sold out in stores, and if you check Walmart, Target, and Best Buy, you will see that there are actually no more Nintendo Switches left. This is also due to the new game Animal Crossing, which is also a very big hype right now. So the reason why everybody's actually buying the Nintendo Switch right now is because of the virus and everybody's staying home, and this is one of the biggest ways to keep yourself occupied. A big factor of why Nintendo Switches are actually sold out right now is because it's very high in demand and people are actually going out buying them and reselling them on eBay for double the price. You'll actually see them listed for as much as $500 to $600. People are buying and reselling it and making major profit. Alright guys, so here's your update on the Nintendo Switch. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you like this video, please leave a comment, put a like, or subscribe to this channel if you'd like more videos like this one. Thank you. Peace.